This is such a cool pencil set. Construction pencils or drafting maybe. I can't wait to start using this. It's a really nice set, and we've got all kinds of holders and leads. And I'm not even sure what it all does, but this is going to be fun sitting down and figuring out what all this is for. We've got a bunch of the thick leads, so for writing on wood maybe, or tile, or whatever you're working on. There's one, looks like a 2mm. Yeah, that's cool. And then these have, looks like a 3mm. Love that. Those leads will last a while. They won't break like a regular mechanical pencil has like 0.7 or 0.5mm. Okay, this is a pretty cool feature of the Carpentry pencils, the bigger ones with the 2.5mm lead. The front part comes off, and as you use it, that tip will get dull. So you can push it out, unscrew the back from each of these pencils, and it has a pencil sharpener for that lead. And you can put a new edge, a new point on the lead. Screw it back in, put the cover back on, and there you go. You start over again. So neat. Both of these pencils have this. So push some lead out, sharpen it back up. That's a cool feature. If we can scribe. Yeah, so I could etch into steel if you need to mark something or really dig into something. So that's really cool. That's a scribe tool. Very sharp. You get all of that in the package. The leads, the colors, the center punch, 4 different pencils. Red and yellow, black, and the pouch. And I can't wait to start using this. This is going to be cool. I love these different colors. So what I'll probably do is have the yellow one will have yellow or red, and then the other color will be just black. The red on the large size, the black on the normal size. So we'll figure it out. We'll get them all used and tried, but this is a really nice set. I'm very excited to use it. It's a very nice set, and I can't wait to start using it.